So to do that, go back to Home, go to Settings, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go back to System, and what you want to do is going to go all the way down to Formatting Options right here on the very bottom. And then what I want you to do is click where it says Format microSD card, and then that could take a few minutes. If not, I want you to do a system update. So the only thing you have to do is go into Settings from your home page, and then go all the way down to System, right down here, and then you want to choose System Update, which could take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes.
You, come here. Yes, you. I need your help. Come here. You see this right here? This wall's empty. I need a YouTube play button. In order for me to get a YouTube play button, I need 100,000 subscribers. I got what, 20, 30,000 right now? I need 100. I need you, please, you to subscribe. You think my subscription doesn't help? Yes, it does. I need 100,000. I visualize what I want in this world. And what I want is a YouTube play button. I want a YouTube play button, and I need you to subscribe. You can help me. You can make your dreams come true. Just visualize it. Whatever you want in this world, you can have it. You can have all your dreams come true. I want you to help me make my dreams come true. All right? So please, please subscribe.